All right, so the training starts at 07 in the morning. Bring the platoons from the various companies in, give them an overview of the training, let them know their task, condition, standard. So essentially the why of their training, so they'll know what they'll be evaluated on and what we're looking for. Then we walk them through IED discussion, because that's the common thread out here in the AL, in the operating environment, is pressure plate IEDs. There's also the threat of suicide vest, RCIDs, vehicle-borne IEDs. So go overview on that, do some optic training with them, some individual action training.
Well, first we did some counter IED training, and we swept through some lanes and reiterated some of the known points of sweeping for IEDs. Went through marking plans for IEDs on different ways of marking, and also we put that into practical application by going out on the lane here and going out, talking to local nationals, setting up security, sweeping, looking for IED making materials. So it was definitely a challenging training. I think it was good. It really hit home some of the points that the chain of command has been trying to run home.
What's going on right now is 1st Battalion 9th Marines Alpha Company is going through an initial counter IED training, and it's occurring here in Afghanistan. What they're doing now is understanding formations, threat assessment, layering of counter IED equipment, and then moving from one compound complex to another, tactical questioning the locals to understand the security environment which they're operating in. So that's right now what the Marines of Alpha Company are going through. And the end state of this is obviously absolute proficiency in the environment which we operate in.
The Marines did well. Well, once again, at the end of the day, this training is their training that the battalion oversees. Essentially, the battalion gets them the training area, gets them the tools, the role players to facilitate their training. And at the end of the day, it's up to the platoon leadership, company leadership, and squad leadership to refine their individual actions and their unit actions and SOPs. So battalion has oversight, but at the end of the day, it's company training.
When we were back here in 2011, we didn't ever have this opportunity to do these things. Luckily, no one got injured, but also, like, we're learning from our mistakes here, from other units and from other people, and taking that and the chain of command is allowing us to get, like it's stated, reset training, allowing us to learn from those mistakes and continue to refine what we have learned. And I think that's a really good idea. Most, of course, like some of the younger guys don't really understand. Oh yeah, we had a workup. Oh, we did it in this, we did it in that. But you can never be good enough at the basics. You can always refine them, and TTPs are always changing. So I'm actually pretty glad we did this.